Well, guys, here we go. I'm out. Finally. About to get the first catch of the evening. I bet this ain't nothing but the local train. I would highly doubt if this is anything else but the local. Who could this be? They don't have no ditch lights on. This has got to be the local. L640. That is not 640. I don't think. Maybe it is. They switched the engines. Yep, that's what it is. Haven't seen that train in some weeks. Assembled on that train is the CSX L640. Starts off in Florence, South Carolina, heads back south to Sumter, South Carolina, where it terminates.